On an ancient banyan tree, a family of crows lived happily. The mother crow had just laid her eggs. The crows were filled with joy. But in a hollow of the same tree lived a hungry snake. One day, while the crows were away searching for food, the snake climbed up the tree. It reached the nest and swallowed every egg. When the crows returned, their nest was empty. They were heartbroken. Days passed. The mother crow laid more eggs. The crows became extra careful. But once again, the snake waited for the perfect moment. And when the crows left, it climbed the tree and ate the eggs. The crows wept. "We cannot fight the snake," said the mother crow. "It is stronger than us." The father crow nodded sadly. Then he said,
"If strength cannot help us, perhaps wisdom can."
The next morning, the crow flew toward the king's palace near the forest. There, he saw the queen bathing beside a pond. Her servants had placed a beautiful gold necklace on a cloth nearby. The crow swooped down, grabbed the necklace in his beak, and flew away. The guards shouted and chased him. The crow flew straight back to the banyan tree. When he reached the tree, the crow dropped the necklace directly into the snake's hole. The guards rushed to retrieve it. They looked inside the hole, and there, coiled around the necklace, was the snake. The frightened guards struck the snake and killed it. Then they recovered the necklace and returned to the palace. At last, the danger was gone. Soon, tiny chicks filled the nest with cheerful chirps, and the banyan tree echoed with happiness once again. Moral: intelligence can overcome even the strongest enemy.